What you're seeing is a living museum. What you're seeing is a window into Pasadena's past. But it's also a place to relax, a place to reconnect with nature. What makes this place so unique is that these 2,500 acres of urban wilderness are surrounded by one of the largest metropolitan areas in the United States. We're walking up on one of these depressional wetland areas up ahead of us. The Texas coast was once dominated by these types of small wetland features that you see in front of us here. So if you could travel back in time in Pasadena 100, 200 years, the entire landscape would have been made up with these small little depressional wetland features. Trees fall down, and this is a natural part of the cycle that a forest will have to endure. But in geologic times, you know, this is still an epic type of a drought. This is a drier period this past summer than Houstonians have ever recorded since we've kept records in the mid-1800s. It was a real blow to the forest, which had previously had a significant blow from Hurricane Ike. Prior to the hurricane and prior to all the death of the canopy trees with this drought, the edge of their umbrellas touched each other. It's called a closed canopy forest. But this is a really good opportunity with all the leaves off the trees now to see some of those spaces between where those once standing giants used to be. The trails were closed for much of the summer, largely because we experienced such a drought that fire conditions and fire hazard was very high. We were afraid that we might be only one cigarette butt away from a real epic type of a fire here at the Nature Center. If this forest had burned, as the Bastrop forest did, it probably would be a century or longer before you see what you have around us now to recover. If we look around further today, you're going to see the presence of a bunch of wetlands of a normal wet winter season with these forested wetlands holding water. This probably has gone a tremendous distance in helping preserve a much larger percentage of trees that were so drought stressed that they would have certainly died. Where we are right now is inaccessible for much of the summer due to the trails being closed. It's just in this past month that you're beginning to be able to get back down and see sights like this big bird of prey that's just about to fly by me here. This is the osprey that we were talking about, sometimes called a fish hawk. So very ecologically rich and also very beautiful. The 5 miles that we manage here, you can walk anytime in a self-guided fashion. The Nature Center is open Wednesday through Saturday 9 to 5, and we're also open on Sundays noon to 5. So we're closed Mondays and Tuesdays. A person's welcome to visit anytime during those normal operating hours and do your own thing out on the trails, walk at your own pace, explore wherever you like, or just slow down and enjoy the wind blowing through the trees.